Hello friend, when you receive the pen, look, with this, you can collect the adapter, to use with the wire. Okay, let's see. Long press this button, you see, it will work. Okay. Okay, this is the first way. Or second, you can use those two. You can use those two, the batteries. Okay. Take off this and screw the battery on. Okay, and press this button. See, it works. Okay. Okay. When the battery has no electric, you can charge it like this. Okay, like this to charge the battery. Okay. Okay, now it is charging. Okay, this part is for collect the adapter to use with wine. Okay, and these two batteries, you can screw it on to use it with battery. Wireless use. Okay, this one is for charging battery. Okay, charging battery like this. Okay, I hope you can understand. Any question, you can ask me. You can contact us. Okay, thank you.